Yo, what's up, Platoon? Psyching out of my mind right now. Taste death. Live life. Oh shit! I actually did almost fall. Oh man. Hey, Fawn. Janae. Riley. Sure is a nice day, huh? Terrell. Stephanie. There's tubing over there. Take the boys, they'll love it. Phoenix will love it too. All right, Kyle, get your drunk ass out here, dude. LJ, we talked about snowboarding this past summer, man. You gotta come out. Danny, whatever. You and Brutus just stay home. Tina, there's even a fire pit here. I almost just fell again because I need to pay attention to what I'm doing. Seriously, guys, come out. That dude's wearing a green wall jersey. That's sweet. God, I just love it here, guys. You gotta come out, man.